right. Hello, Gurjot, and congratulations on getting your desired score of 8 in each for PT, which you scored 79 plus, which means 8. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate you. And how are you feeling about getting your desired score?
Thank you, Abhi. Thank you so much. Yep, the feeling is great. Finally, the hard work has paid off. And I can say, yeah, it's just a great feeling that I don't have to do it again.
That's good. Like, you did put in a lot of effort. So just wanted to ask you a few things, obviously. Just for your students to understand that, what it is to get a 8 or how hard it is to get a 79 plus. Would you tell us like the effort that you gave or put and how many hours did you study daily, just to give an idea, like, how much effort students have to put in order to complete or get their 79 plus?
To be honest, I had not put any extra effort where I have to sacrifice my work or personal life, but I've managed it quite well. I used to study an hour a day, but the first thing I did is how I followed the preparations is I prioritize the tasks after attending all the lectures. Of course, I prioritize which tasks can give me majority of my scores from your lectures, of course, which was, for example, write from dictation, repeat sentences. And then after prioritizing, I have practiced those and figured out, did one mock test and saw which ones I'm lacking in. So the ones I was lacking in, I started practicing it daily. And I don't used to do like hundreds because I used to lose focus very soon. So what I used to do, I used to do 20 right from dictation, but I used to tell myself that these 20 have to be more than 80, and then you're ready for the test. For my weaknesses, which was I was very worried about, is reading section. Because as you said in one of the lectures, write from dictation and repeat sentence, it's not actually hard. You just have to keep practicing and get in the habit of writing the initials. But repeat or reading section, drop down, even drag and drop was easy for me. But drop down is a kind of thing, the more you do, the better it gets with time. So I used to put an hour a day, used to do 10 drop and down, 10 to 20 write from dictation, 10 read aloud, 5 repeat sentences, and prioritize tasks. And when I appeared when I did my practicing, the first thing I want to tell everyone, don't do it in quietness. Like, don't do it when there's no distraction. The moment you'll enter and listen so many voices, you'll get panicked. Even if I did it in my common room and had all the electron videos on to distract me, that nervousness, in addition to what everyone is saying in your ears, just distract you a lot. Yeah. So I think, just prioritizing the tasks, keep doing it until you are sure you know how to do it.
Good. That's the smart way to go, because I know a lot of students put like 4 hours, 5 hours a day. They compromise on their job. And you brought up a really good point that, you don't have to do that. It's just you need to study smart rather than study a lot, which is a very good point. Now, in addition to, the studying part, what else did help you in terms of, let's say, feedback materials? How did you get on with the help that you received?
So what helped me, again, one thing was, first thing, which was the access to materials and the resources we have from Melbourne PT, because I know I was scoring anywhere between 82 and 83. And you were telling me again and again that if you consistently do this, and I saw I got 90 in speaking.
Yeah.
Because that 80 urge of having 83 let me improve again and again, that have my pronunciation a bit more better. I used to listen to the words which were shown in the Iowa in red, and used to pronouncing it 3 times. Okay, yeah, I got it. And I think that helped me a lot. Again, the mock tests, the variety of mock tests we had, because it have all the skill level in there, from difficult to easy. It have one fill in the blank difficult, so the jumbled sentences are a bit easy. And then so I did, I think, 10 mock tests overall in the course. And I started off with 65, and the last mock test I did, I was scoring 79. Then I knew that, okay, I'm ready for it.
You had the last 3 or 4 of them very consistently hitting above like 79, which was a really good eye for the trainers as well, to see that, for your first mock test and the difference between your first mock test and, the way you've studied and how you have achieved, through mock tests from 65 to all the way to 79 was a very great way for us to see what you were doing. So that was really good on your end, and a very good effort from your end. So again, thank you for joining us in this video, and I would like to congratulate you again one more time and offer you the best of wishes for your future endeavors. All right. Thanks,
Yeah,
Gurjot.
and I just want to wish all the best to the all the other students who are waiting. I just want to tell them, work the smart way, follow the tricks, just do what computer expects you to do. Don't do any extra, don't do any unless, and that is it. You will get there 100%.
Thank you so much, Gurjot. And enjoy your day. Have a lovely rest of the evening, man. Thanks.
Thank you, Obi. Thanks. Bye.